Hi, thanks for stopping by. We are talking today about my next round of Pilates camp. We're starting January 1st, and I am so excited. January 1st, 2020. Can there be a better day to start Pilates camp? So if you don't know what Pilates camp is, we offer this just a couple times a year, and it's 1 week long, and it's a week of free Pilates workouts sent directly to your inbox. They are workouts that aren't found here on YouTube, and they are sent to you if you sign up for Pilates camp. So camp to me is fun, right? When you think about camp, you think about community, you think about fun, you think about laughter, you think about activity, and that's really what I want Pilates camp to be about. So it's 7 days of workouts, and each day you are going to get an email with that workout for the day, and they are in a very specific order that they will build on one another. So after a week, you're going to have this really great combination of beginner Pilates workouts all the way to advanced, and a way for me to show you about how I kind of work out at home and things I use for unlimited members and people I train and things here on YouTube. So you're going to get this great diverse group of workouts, from arms to legs to a little bit of high intensity interval training to, again, beginners all the way to advanced. And it's just an awesome, fun way to be in community. We will have a free Facebook group as well. That's not required. If you're not a Facebook person, don't even worry about it. You're still going to get the workouts. So we start January 1st. There is a link below to sign up. Again, it's completely free. I would love to see you there. And I want to talk a little bit about why January 1st is the day that we're starting. So we all talk about the new year and goals and what we can do, and I think that's great. I set goals for myself. I do some vision boarding. I set a word for the year. It helps me kind of have some focus and some intention. That being said, there's nothing magical about January 1st and the beginning of the year. You can start your goals any day you want. If you need it to be today, then you get on my YouTube channel and you search Pilates for beginners and you start today. Nothing is saying you need to wait to January 1st. That being said, if you're watching this later on, if it's already into 2020 and you feel like you have missed the boat, you haven't. There's no boat to miss. You start when you are ready. So we will have Pilates camp January 1st to January 7th. But again, you can start your goals anytime. So I don't want you to put pressure on yourself. Personally, I actually had surgery recently and I am not able to work out yet, but guess what? The day I can start working out again is January 1st. It's just the most amazing coincidence to me that I can start working out and lifting again the first day of the new year. So I personally am going to be doing these Pilates camp workouts to really build that foundation again, to find my strength, and to do it in a safe way. So you might just want a goal of consistent workouts, but you also might be recovering from an injury, from a surgery. You might have had a baby recently. If you are in any of those camps, if you simply feel like you need some motivation and a way to really build that foundation in a safe and fun and motivating way, Pilates camp is for you. So again, you'll sign up in the link below, and then come January 1st, you're going to start getting emails every day with that workout, one per day for 7 days. So let's say that you're watching this January 3rd, you can jump on in and you'll start getting the workouts on the 3rd. Keep in mind though, these workouts actually are available for that whole week and then for a week afterwards. And then we shut down and go into waitlist mode for the next Pilates camp. So again, the camp itself is from January 1st to January 7th, 2020. And then you'll have access to those workouts for another week. And then we shut it down, close the doors, because we only focus then on here are some YouTube workouts and then our unlimited members. That's our big focus until we open Pilates camp again later on in 2020. So if you have any thoughts at all about getting involved, sign up below. It's completely free. I would love to have you there. And happy New Year. I am probably the first to say that to you here because this is coming to you December 9th. But I wish the very best for you as you finish out 2019 and as you look forward to a new year. And thank you for spending some of that time here with me at Jessica Vallant Pilates. I'll talk to you soon.